But do you?
Hello guys and welcome to Little Creatives. First of all, I would like to say that sorry to all of you for the late uploading of this video because there were some issues, so now all have been solved. So let's get back to the video. In this video I will show you the 4 tips and tricks of 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Here you can see it is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you want to know how to solve it, the link is given in the description box. You can check it from there. So without wasting any time, so let's get started now. So you can see it's a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but it should be solved already. So in this if you don't know how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but you want to, without learning, you want to show this to your friends, so you can do these tricks. So this is the up piece and it is the left piece. So only with the up piece and the left piece we will do this trick. First of all, move the up piece to the left and the left piece to up, to left, to up, to left, to up, to left, to up, and do this many times. But it is important to keep eye on this, because if any single mistake will not make the Rubik's Cube. You have to do at least it 60 to 50 times. And you can show this to a friend that you can solve Rubik's Cube very easily by just 2 moves. It's now I think 70% completed. Like this you have to do, and here you can see it's solved. So this is the first trick with just 2 moves. So let's get to the second tip. Sorry for that. In this we also it has 2 moves, but it will just do in 10 times. So this is the up piece, this is the left piece. Up piece should be right and the left piece should up. Again the left piece right, but this time the left piece should down. Again right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down, like this 10 times. So here you can see it again solved. So you can also try this. It is better than the first one. I like the second one most, but it's on you which you like or which is more easy for you. So this is the second tip. So now the other 2 tips are not the tips, but I think for just keeping it somewhere. If you want to keep this somewhere, but you want to look at a unique, so in this you can do these tricks. So the first trick is that this is the solved Rubik's Cube. First you will take a solved Rubik's Cube, and this is the one side. You can take any of the sides, so I will take just green side and move the upper piece 2 times. 1, 2. You can do in left direction or to right direction, doesn't mind, but in the same direction you have to do the lower piece. Ignore the middle piece. This also 1 time and 2 time. Here you can see. Now again go to like this or like this. So I will go like this to the right and move it also 2 times. 1 time, 2 time, and again the lower piece 1 time and 2 time. Now again go like this to this or this. This also 1 time, 2 time, 1 time and 2 time. And there you get a pattern. In this you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 piece white, but the 4 of the middle side are yellow. Same as in this, it is a combination of blue and green. In this red and orange, and white and yellow. So like this you can keep it in somewhere so that the people will see and it will look very unique. So again, if you want to again solve it, just move again 2 times. You can move any of it. 1 2 1 and 2. So here you can get a it means it's blue and it's green. Now go to any other page like this and move it also 2 times. 1 2 1 and 2. Now you will get a link to solve the Rubik's Cube. It will be 1 and 2 1 and 2. Here you can see it again is solved. You can see it's solved. So the last trick is same as the this one, but a little different. In this you have to do it 1 time, 2 time and 3 time, and again 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. Now go to other, same as the we have done just before. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Now again go to this which is not matched. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So in this you will get a 3 or 4 colored patterns like this. These are the 4 edge pieces are of blue, and the side pieces 2 are orange, and 2 are yellow, and middle is green. Like this you will get some of the unique patterns. It also look very unique, but I think it is not just better than the just before we have done. So that's all guys, and if you want to again make it, you can move it like this, 1 2 3 1 2 3, and it will solve. So here 1 2 and 3, here also. And if you move it more, then there will be many of the new patterns that I don't know just now. So that's all guys, and let me know in the comment below that which trick you like the most. So please comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell button.